The Amazon Fire Stick is a useful device if you want to refresh the software on your TV, or you have a projector that doesn't have internet and you want to add Netflix and like Disney Plus on it. With many choices such as Chromecast or Roku Express, or even the more expensive Apple TV, it's hard to choose which is the best one. So let's take a look at the Amazon Fire Stick Lite. So this is the Lite version of the Amazon Fire Stick, which is the most basic and cheapest model. I got it for $16.99 Canadian dollars, which is a good deal from the original price of $50. So there's not that much difference between this model and the more expensive 4K model. So this one only goes up to 1080p. It doesn't have Wi-Fi 6. It has a little bit less RAM than the more expensive one. For me, 1080p should be enough because I'm only using a projector that supports up to 720p, so it's more than enough. Another good feature that I'm going to test out is the Alexa voice control, which allows you to launch TV shows just by saying it to the remote, and that makes it easier to navigate through the firmware and get where you want faster. Okay, so let's start with the unboxing. So here, let's look at the box first. So there's 1080p, and there's the Alexa and the remote. And in the box there is there's the Fire Stick, the remote, batteries, power adapter, USB cable, and an HDMI. And it's also compatible with Bell Fibe TV if you want to watch TV on it. So nothing else. Okay, so this is the remote. Micro USB cable. The Fire Stick. Here's nothing, there is, and here's the power for the power and HDMI. And I don't know what this is, but it's an extender. If you don't want to put the Fire Stick directly into your TV, you can put it in this. And it's extended. Let's put the batteries in. And there you go. Okay, now let's connect it to the TV and go to the setup. So here is the HDMI port, and you can connect the power to the TV directly on the USB port. So here we have the first boot of the Amazon Fire Stick. Okay, let's go through the setup. So let's put English. So now I see insufficient power. And power adapter. Continue without. Alright, let's try without. Maybe it's gonna crash. The registration is complete. Okay, so it is lagging a little bit. But to be honest, it seems okay. Should work fine. Okay, let's try launching Netflix to see how fast it loads. And there you go. Let's try opening Netflix with Alexa. Open Netflix.
Here's Netflix.
And there you go, it's very fast. Open YouTube.
Here's YouTube.
Play Breaking Bad.
Getting Breaking Bad from Netflix.
So after using this device for a few days, I can tell you it's a good choice if you can get it at a discount like I did. It's very fast, the software is great, and the remote is easy to use. So thank you for watching this video, I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave a like if you did, and I'll see you in the next one.